Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's menu, guys, we are going to be making one pan chicken with tomatoes and mushrooms. This recipe, guys, is a great 30 minutes meal that is perfect for weeknight dinner. The chicken breasts are pan-seared and then cooked in a sauce made with tomatoes, onions, and mushrooms. But before we start, guys, give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. Also, guys, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys, and it also helps this channel to grow, guys. And for those who love to travel, check my daughter's channel. She travels and also vlogs about the food in my country. Her channel name is Happy Mancha. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. Go check her out, guys. Give her some loving and subscribe to her channel. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once oil is shimmering but not hot, add mushrooms and cook until softened, stirring occasionally while sauteing for about 5 minutes. Then transfer to a plate. Next, in the same pan, we're gonna add onions. We're gonna saute the onions for 5 minutes until they are soft and translucent, then transfer to a plate. So here in my cutting board, I have 2 chicken breasts with ribs. That's what we are going to be using for this recipe, guys. Season the chicken with salt and black pepper on both sides. Next, we're gonna heat oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Then we're gonna cook the chicken skin side down for 4 to 5 minutes until browned. Then we're gonna flip and brown on the other side about 3 additional minutes. The chicken does not need to be cooked through, guys. Once it's nicely browned, we're gonna transfer to a plate. Next, we are going to deglaze the pan. You might be wondering what is deglazing. Deglazing is simply the act of adding a liquid to a hot pan, which allows all of the caramelized bits stuck to the bottom to release all that deliciousness. Guys, this is going to add tremendous flavor to the sauce. You can use any liquid to deglaze your pan. With this recipe, it's so versatile. You can use white wine, you can use dry Riesling, Pinot, Grigio, Sauvignon Blanc, Chardonnay, and if you like red, you can use Chianti. Add tomato paste and stewed tomatoes, then stir well. You can also use Roma tomatoes or any tomatoes, guys. It doesn't have to be stewed tomatoes. Next, season with red pepper flakes, thyme, and oregano. Stir well and let it cook for 3 minutes. Next, we're gonna add the chicken into the sauce along with the onions. Mix well, then cover with the lid and cook for 8 minutes over medium-high heat. After 8 minutes, add the mushrooms. Then we're gonna season with salt and black pepper to taste. Flip the chicken, then we're gonna add garlic powder, cover with the lid and cook for another 6 minutes until the sauce has thickened and has reduced by half. If you want to try this recipe, the ingredients and measurements are listed in the description box down below the video. There you have it, guys. Juicy, delicious one-pan chicken with tomatoes and mushroom. I hope you'll try this recipe, guys. It's so delicious. I know you will love it. Serve over rice, pasta, or with a thick slice of crusty bread. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.